In this video, we're going to talk about how to replace a Frigidaire refrigerator water filter step by step. So listen carefully as I explain each step since I don't have a physical Frigidaire to show how water filters be replaced. So now, in most Frigidaire fridges use either Pure Source Ultra or Pure Source Plus filter, but the process is almost the same. So for the first step is locate the filter. So the filter is usually inside the upper right corner of the refrigerator compartment or sometimes in the grill at the bottom. And then after that, push the filter in to release it or twist it counterclockwise depending on your model and then pull it straight out. So take your Frigidaire filter out of the box and remove any protective caps or seals. After that, push the filter straight in until it clicks, or twist clockwise until it locks in place. So make sure it's secure. After that, flush the filter, run about 2 to 3 gallons of water through the dispenser to clear out air or impurities. So this step is very important for clean tasting water and proper pressure. So on most model, just hold the water filter button for 3 seconds until the light turns green. After that, replace your Frigidaire water filter every 6 months or whenever the indicator lights comes on. And that's it. So you've successfully replaced your Frigidaire water filter in just a few minutes. I hope this guide helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.